Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello, Jeep enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to program a Jeep JK key. Before we dive into the steps, it's crucial to understand the prerequisites. You'll need two existing, already programmed keys that currently work with your vehicle. Additionally, you must have a new, uncut key blank that includes a transponder chip. Make sure this new key is cut to match your ignition cylinder by a locksmith or hardware store before you begin the programming sequence. Let's get started with the first part of the programming process. Begin by inserting your first already programmed key into the ignition. Turn the ignition switch to the on position, ensuring you do not start the engine. Hold it there for at least 3 seconds, but be sure not to exceed 15 seconds. After this interval, turn the ignition back to the OFF position and quickly remove that first key from the ignition. Now for the second crucial step. Within 15 seconds of removing the first key, insert your second already programmed key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position, still without starting the engine. You'll need to wait for about 10 seconds. During this time, you should hear a distinct chime, and the vehicle's security light on your dashboard will begin to flash. Once these indicators occur, turn the ignition back to the OFF position and remove the second key. You're almost there. Within 60 seconds of removing the second programmed key, insert your new, unprogrammed key into the ignition. Turn the ignition switch to the on position. After about 10 seconds, you will hear a single chime, and the vehicle security light will illuminate for 3 seconds before turning off, indicating successful programming. Remember, if you only have one working key, this self-programming method will not work, and you will need assistance from a dealership or a professional locksmith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.